Hello guys, welcome to Deep EduTech World. Today we are known easy way to work all formulas in Excel. Okay, let's start. I have a purchase order data. In this data, I have order date, order ID, item, quantity, rate and amount. So now we see the process to easy way to calculate the total amount, total rate, total quantity and total item in this regarding data. Okay, now let's see the process. For create this thing, we are select the all data, then press Ctrl plus T for create the table, then click on OK. Now go to the design tab and click check the total row under the table style options. After the checking the total row in this table, insert a new row total. Now click on the column 5 total row last cell, then we are see the drop down menu in the cell. From this drop down list I have found the sum. Same for rate, click on the sum. Again quantity, click on the sum. And now we have count the total items. So select the cell and click on the drop down list, click on the more functions, then under the search box write down count A, then in the selected functions group the count A functions is select, then click on go, then OK, then again click on OK. So now the total item from the data my total item, total quantity, total rate and total amount is calculated. So that is the easiest way to use the formula in your data. So thank you.